So voice tone is associated to strength. People perceive your strength through the sound of your voice, particularly if they can't even see you and they only hear you on a phone or don't have the camera on. They're imagining how tall you are, how strong you are, how experienced. And so what we want to make sure is that our voice is representing us well. And what is that? That is the tone of your voice. And so the best way is to listen back to a recording or watching a video. Now, we all get used to our voice, and your organization gets used to it, or the people that listen to you all the time. So sometimes you want to work with a voice coach who give you some feedback. That's what I do. And I don't want to get used to you. I want to be able to come in fresh and give you my first impression. So what does that mean? We need to deepen a voice. We need to also get rid of the ums and ers and because all of those weaken what it is that you say. Because when we speak with space instead of noise of we have a space. People can understand what we're saying better. There's also a sense of safety. I'm sure about what I said. I made a statement and I'm waiting for you to catch that. I'm waiting for you to understand that. I'm not afraid. Yeah, you're visible. With it's a way of escaping space. Space represents, or pausing represents, exposure, visibility. And often we speak fast or we make noises like to protect us from that statement we just made. Now, it happens unconsciously. Nobody's consciously trying to do this. We're just doing this, and some of us are copying it from other people in our organization without realizing. We become like the rest. And this is very common. Noisy presentations, shallow voice. There's no depth and strength. So some of the exercises I can show you will strengthen your voice. Some lip trills like deep breath into your diaphragm, into your tummy, where your hand expands and you breathe into the hips, and your hand expands horizontally instead of vertical. It goes out horizontally. And a straw exercise like woo, right? There's an article I wrote in LinkedIn called Speaking from the Heart, and I tell you, connecting with your emotions, I mean what I say what I mean, I'm not afraid, I'm going to speak confidently. Projection with imagination. I need to project. Your posture, the way you stand, the way you sit or stand, can affect the way you project. Your eyes, your face, your intention, your mind, your thinking. As soon as you're afraid or you have thoughts of feeling little and somebody else is bigger, you will speak little. So there's a lot of aspects there that can affect your speaking voice. So we want to make sure our voice represents us in a powerful way, because that way people can trust us, lean on us, and come back to us, because we're then serving them better. We're serving them because we're not worried about ourselves anymore. We're there to deliver confidently.